Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by readying the machine and thread so nothing blocks the path. First, place the correct spool onto the post and draw 12 to 18 inches of thread. Make a clean 45 degrees cut on the end so the eye feeds smoothly. Once done, lift the presser foot to release tension discs and set tension low between 0 and 2. Make sure the feed dogs are up. If not, raise them. These first steps let the thread seat reliably and prevent tangles. Now you route the thread through every guide in order because skipped guides cause poor stitch formation. Draw the thread from the spool to the first guide, then down between the tension discs so it snaps into place. Once the take-up lever is at its highest point, loop the thread through it from right to left. This stores thread for stitch formation. Then bring thread down toward the needle, through any lower guides, and finally thread the needle from front to back, using a magnifier. Finish by preparing and inserting the bobbin so its thread feeds opposite the top thread. Match material if possible. Hold the top thread tail lightly, then turn the hand wheel toward you to lower and raise the needle so it catches the bobbin thread. Pull both thread tails to the back under the presser foot. Trim tails to about 1/2 inch, select a basic stitch, and sew a short line on scrap. If skipped stitches or loops appear, recheck tension and that the thread passed through every guide. This solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.